You've staked your CRO and unlocked your virtual card. Now let's get the physical card in your wallet. In this video, I'll walk you through ordering your physical Crypto.com Visa card. Welcome back. While the virtual card is great for online purchases, the physical card is for tapping and swiping in stores worldwide. Ordering it is a crucial step. After you've staked for your card tier, go back to the card tab. You should see an option to ship your card. You'll need to verify your physical address where the card will be delivered. Ensure this is 100% accurate. The app will guide you through a quick address confirmation process. There's no cost for the card itself, but ensure your account is in good standing. Once you confirm, you'll see a status tracker, and your card will be on its way. An important pro tip: you can use your virtual card instantly in Apple Pay or Google Pay while you wait for the physical one. Also, make sure your card cashback address is set in the app, as this is where your CRO rewards are sent. And that's all it takes. Your powerful new financial tool is now on its way to your mailbox. Once it arrives, you'll need to load it with funds. I'll show you how in the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it.